package inside the box with a little warning sticker, instruction quick start. We got some stickers here. We got a mounting guide piece of paper. We got warm tips that are warm. And we also got an operational instruction booklet. Only apply to the Realink video doorbell Wi-Fi. Let's open the quick start. Scan with Amazon. This is not a quick start. let's look at the packaging now. The packaging is pretty nice. Comes with some white material. Here's the doorbell itself. Nice and smooth and black. Here's the back of the doorbell. 2 metallic screws for your wiring. And the reset button. But they spelled it wrong. They spelled it RST. I'll give them 1 less star for this. We'll put it back. Here's your doorbell chime. Okay. That's not a button. You just plug it in, connect it via Wi-Fi. You can change your tunes over here. There's a settings button, a music button, and a volume button. Very nice. And that's all for the packaging. The setup is in the app. Thank you very much. I take that back. There's more packaging. There's some cables. Okay, this is your free Ethernet to Ethernet cable in case you want to do PoE, if you know what that means. Here's some extra wiring for your screws, your metallic screws that I told you about earlier. Here's a transformer just in case you don't have existing doorbell wires. Here's some extra cabling for you, just in case your wires are not long enough. Here's mounting set with screws and anchors. You have some more stuff over here, and finally you have your mounting plates over here, just in case you want a different angle. Okay, thank you very much, Mike.